The things that you're going to need for this art project are crayons, watercolors, and a cup of water. So the first thing that we're going to do, you can do this part with me. I'm going to fold my paper in half. So I'll have to use my cup to set the camera on so you can see everything. There, it's a little bit better. Okay. I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to fold it like this. Now, this is called the hamburger way because it's the short way, not the long way. I took the short end and I folded it up. So yours should look exactly like mine. Just like that. I matched the corners up so that I folded it nice and straight. And then, while it's still folded, I'm going to fold it up one more time. I'm going to match the corners together. And then I'm going to fold it down. So I folded it in half 2 times. Just like this. Fold it in half once. Fold it in half again, 2 times. Alright, I'm going to show you the next step, so if you need more time, pause this video. Now, I'm going to fold it in the hot dog way. The hot dog way means that when I fold it like this, and I fold it in half, it's going to look like a hot dog. Watch this. Okay, see? It looks like a hot dog. Now, we're going to fold it in half again. So you're doing the same thing both ways. So, it started like this, and then I folded it in half, and then I folded it in half again. Okay? So when you're done folding it, you should have what looks like a grid with little squares that you have made by folding. If you need to start this video over to see how I did that, you can do that. And maybe even a parent could help you if you still can't get it. Okay, now that you have your grid, the little squares on your paper, I want you to stop and watch exactly how I do it before you start. So, one thing that Jasper John painted things that people could recognize, and one thing that people can recognize that we can draw is our names. So, my name, I'm going to go with Miss B. I'm going to write one letter in all of my boxes, so with a different crayon. So, M, I wrote the I in the box next to it, and then I'm going to go in this third box here, S, and then I need a new crayon. S, Miss, and then B. So I'm just going to go to the next square here using a new crayon. I'm going to go with pink, Miss B. Now, I need to start my name over again in the very next box. So, M. And you can use the same colors again after a while. I. S. S. B. writing my name in a different crayon each time, over and over. So Miss B, or Miss B. Let's see, any blue. We'll go pink. Now I only have one square left, but I'm going to start my name even if I don't finish it. So the only letter that will fit here is one more M. So you're going to do the same thing with writing your name in each of the squares with each letter, using different crayons. Then you don't need your crayons anymore, so you can put your crayons away. And then you're going to need your watercolors after you write your name. Okay, so I'm going to take out my watercolors. And we're going to use our watercolors to paint in each square that we folded. So remember, when we use watercolors, we need a lot of water. And I'm going to pick, let's see, I'm going to go with purple. So get a lot of water, and then take my paint, and I'm going to paint inside just this square here. And I need some more paint. And notice how I'm painting right over my letter. So you can paint right over your letter, but you can still see what letter it is. Okay, now I've finished this box. I'm going to pick a whole new color. I'm going to go with the color green. And some more water. I'm painting just this box. Painting over my letter. So I'm picking a new color each time for my box and just going over each letter. If you would like to see my final artwork, you can go to Padlet, where you can post yours and see your friends, and also to let your friends see your artwork. Have fun painting like Jasper John.